YouTube, TroyStarz Trucking, another quick video, very much quick. So I'm just gonna change the air filter on the Mack truck. That's it. That's it. Yeah, that's all this video is about.
For more videos like this, please subscribe.
So this is the air filter for the Pinnacle, the Mack truck Pinnacle, right? 2015. So I guess this is from 2000 and what? 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Anyway, this is a part number. So the part number is AF26363. So that's the part number for the air filter. So we're gonna just put the air filter on. So this is it. Okay, so all I need to do is to move the clips from around the air filter, because it is pretty simple. Just moving the clips from the air filter, right? And then I can go ahead and remove the cover, right? Make sure the clips are moved properly. And then I just pull the air filter out. So this is the old air filter. You can see the part number on there. So that's the old air filter. You can see the part number on there. This is what the old air filter looks like. So I'm going to put the new one in. So this is the new one compared to the old one that we just take out. Okay, so you have to make sure when you're putting on the air filter, you have to make sure that this hole that you're looking at right now is seated in that hole that you can see it all the way in the pan there, right? So I'm just gonna push this in there, and with a force so that they go all the way in. So when you guys are putting back on the cover back onto after you put your new filter in, you have to make sure you match up this triangle space on the filter cover with this square, this not square but this triangle fitting that is right here. You have to make sure you match this up along with this, and you're good to go to get it closed. So you just put it on like this. And that's it. If you can see where it flush in, so the pin can connect to the area that it should, right? So you have to make sure you go on flush. Then you put the pin down. Okay, so that's one. And as you can see, I'm just doing this with one hand, using one hand at this point. That's the second one. Okay guys, so I finished putting my air filter in the Mack truck, and this is the finished job, right? So this is the old filter. And that's it. So thank you guys for tuning in. There's the word TroyStarz Trucking. Peace, thanks, respect, and please subscribe if you're not already.
For more videos like this, please subscribe.